All right, this is number 2. It's an integration problem. I don't see an obvious u substitution, and I don't think integration by parts is going to work. So my one option is to do an expansion, because the degree of the top is an 8th degree polynomial, and then divide through by x squared plus 1, and hope that it's going to be nice in the end. All right? Let's go to the whiteboard. And the first thing at the whiteboard is just to write down what the integration is, and then I'll figure out the integrand in a moment. So you get 0 to 1, and you get x4, and you get 1 minus x to the 4th power, and on bottom you get x squared plus 1, and this is dx. All right, my gut feeling is just an expansion on top. I'm going to I use Pascal's triangle to help me out with it. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And I'm going to write this over here as x4. Now, by the way, 1 minus x to the 4th is the same thing as x minus 1 to the 4th. Same thing. Then you get x squared plus 1 on the bottom. I'm going to try to do the top. And the top is x4. And then what are you going to get over there? You get x4, using Pascal's triangle to do this, by the way, minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 4x, and last but not least, you can get plus 1. This is all over x squared plus 1. And I'm going to just multiply the top out. You get x8 minus 4x7 plus 6x6 minus 4x5 plus x4. And we're dividing by x squared plus 1. Well, let's do our division. So x squared plus 1, and divide into that long polynomial, which is x8 minus 4x7 plus 6x6 minus 4x5 plus x4. I'm going to say there's other places. I'm not going to put them in. I'll just simply write them down as I need them. So x6, what do you get there? You get x8. And then it's going to be plus x6. I'm going to do the subtraction now. Minus 4x7 plus 5x6 minus 4x5 plus x4. Repeat. Minus 4x5 minus 4x7. Then you can get minus 4x5. Okay, let's keep going. Subtract 5x6 plus x4. Let's see if we can do that. So it's going to be plus 5 x4. And what do you get there? 5x6. And then you get 5x4. What do you get there? Minus 4x4. All right, let's keep moving. What do you get now? Minus 4x squared. And what does that give you? Minus 4x4 minus 4x squared. All right, let's keep going. I'm kind of running out of room, so I'm going to put it over here now. 4x squared. And I got to do that now. So it's going to be what? 4. That's not bad. So what do you get? 4x squared plus 4, remainder minus 4. So I think I did okay. And I'm going to maybe start to erase things I don't need anymore. And I'm going to write this down now. 0 to 1. You get x6. By the way, this is what I'm looking at now. Minus 4x5 plus 5x4. These are all easy to integrate, by the way. Minus 4x squared plus 4. And then I get this remainder. I didn't take care of that yet, did I? That's minus 4, right? So minus 4 over x squared plus 1 dx. All right, I think maybe I shouldn't erase it, but I don't know. It just seems like I can. I'm going to erase it. The reason I don't have to keep scrolling around, but let me get my big eraser out and get rid of a lot of stuff over here. You can always rerun the videotape if you need, to look over that again. Okay, let's see if we can do it now. And what do you get over here? Equals x7 over 7, easy integration by the way, minus, this will be x6. And 4 divided by 6 is 2/3. Plus, well, that's just going to be x5 now, because 5 goes into 5 one time. Minus 4x cubed over 3, plus 4x minus 4 arctan of x, limit integration 0 to 1. All right, this is the part that kills me, the arithmetic part. One-seventh minus 2/3 plus 1 minus 4/3 plus 4. Let me see if I got everything covered. 1/7 minus 2/3, 1 minus 4/3, and a 4. And then minus 4. Well, the arctan of 1 is just pi over 4. And what's nice about the lower limit, everything goes to 0, including the arctangent, by the way. So I got some arithmetic to do, and I always say, can you do it one thing at a time? I'd like to. So, minus 2/3, minus 4/3, minus 6/3, and minus 6/3 is minus 2, minus 1, and then you get 3. So really, I'm getting 3 plus 1/7. And if I thought about that, right, 1/7 plus 3, but that's really going to be, 3 is really 21/7. So what would you get? You get 22/7. Minus, well, 4 times pi over 4 is just pi. If you want, you can write this in one fraction. Doesn't really add much to it. 22 minus 7 pi. I kind of like the look of this answer better, though. Both are fine. Thank you.